A latest study has shown that reinfection in COVID-19 is rare and natural infection appears to elicit strong protection against the reinfection with efficacy of nearly 95% for at least 7 months. This comes a day after research published in The Lancet said that while those with the previous history of infection may be protected for a long time period, but the protection drops dramatically for people over the age of 65. The study has shown that while the incidence rate of reinfection was 0.66 per 10,000 people in those who were antibody positive, it was 2.15 per 10,000 people in those never infected before. Based on this finding, researchers have concluded that the efficacy of natural infection against the reinfection could be about 95.2%. The research also noted that most of the reinfections were less severe than the primary infections. Most reinfections, 66.7%, were diagnosed through random or routine testing or through contact tracing. Incidentally, this study comes after another research titled Assessment of Protection Against Reinfection with SARS-CoV-2 among 4 million PCR tested individuals in Denmark in 2020. A population-level observational study was published in The Lancet. According to this study, researchers found out that the protection in general population to be around 80% or higher in those under 65, but approximately 47% in those aged 65 and older, meaning people above 65 were more likely to be infected again.